welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my very first YouTube video and I wanted to show y'all how to make this cute KAWS charm. It is very easy to make. I saw it from a girl on TikTok and decided to make it myself, so let's get into it.
I get more than I get, I keep my true feelings here. I give more than I get, I keep my.
So I got this amazing mold putty kit from Amazon. I believe that they have it in store at Michael's, but I just went ahead and got it from Amazon because I love getting stuff from Amazon. The instructions will be on the side of the box, but it's really easy to make. You'll just open up these two containers. You want to make sure that you don't get too much out because you don't want to waste it. But you can always roll it and measure it as you go. But before you mold it, you just want to make sure that you're not wasting it. It's really self-explanatory. If you watch the video, you'll learn how to make it on your own and be able to make how many ever charms you want to make. Here you can see me putting both of them side by side and putting some back. That's because I didn't want to waste any. I wanted to make sure that I was using the right amount, and that's very important because you want to have some to make other stuff, and if you waste it, then that's taken away from other charms that you could have been making. So once you get the right amount that you need and make sure that both of them are evenly, you'll just put the rest back and you'll start mixing them together, and that's what I'm doing right here. You want to mix it together until you don't see no white and no yellow. I mean, it's still yellow, but it was like a darker yellow before you started mixing it. Right here, I'm just seeing how it'll fit the charm and rolling it up. And then you just start putting it over the charm. Just make sure that you're covering it. And that's really it. So right here, I'm just laying it down. You're gonna wait for 20 minutes, so we'll be back in 20 minutes. So for my charm, I'm gonna make it green. So I'm gonna do this green color that I made and the yellow for the nose. And then I'm gonna use this white from Glam & Glitz. Don't check my bottle because it looks a mess. So you're just gonna gently remove the charm from the putty. It's not gonna break at all, but I still just like to be careful and just gently do it and don't rush. Just take your time. Now let's get into these details. This is why I love it. I've actually tried to do the hot glue method and I didn't really care for it. Like, it didn't come out like this one did. So I really recommend this version. So I just used regular acrylic and I actually used some slow monomer that I had from when I was in nail school because I didn't want to waste my good monomer. But yeah, you just basically fill it in as shown in the video. So when you get ready to fill the charm in, you want to make sure that you're patting the acrylic down and make sure that it's just smooth. You don't want to leave any bubbles, because when you get ready to take it out, you'll have holes in it and you don't want that. So I let the acrylic dry up a little bit, since it was low odor monomer and sometimes it takes a little minute to dry. But you'll just take it out and you'll have your charm. After this step, all that's really left to do is to get your black gel polish and paint the black lines on the eyes as shown.
I give more than I get, I keep my true feelings hid. I gotta ride with my stick, I know these niggas ain't legit. I can try to forgive, but it's gonna be hard to forget. That's the way it